The living organism, characteristics and habitat part 2. A mountain is a large landform that rises above the surrounding land in a limited area, usually in a form of peak. Plants growing on the mountain regions are usually tall, straight and cone-shaped. They have a waxy coating over their leaves to prevent damage from snow. They are flowerless. They have cones with seed inside them. They have needle-like leaves which helps water and snow to slide down the leaves easily. Animals in mountain region, example snow leopard, is white in color and can hide in the environment. Snow leopard has thick fur to protect from cold. It also has claws to prevent slipping on the surface of the snow. Another example is mountain goat. It has thick white fur to protect itself from the cold. It has strong hooves for running up the rocky slopes. Next example is yak. Yak has thick fur which protects its body from severe cold in winter season. Grassland is an area of land that mostly contains grasses. There are wild grasses and there may be some trees. Several parts of the world have grasslands. Animals found in grasslands are lion. Lions are light brown in color, which helps them to hide in grassland. They have long claws which can be withdrawn inside. Both the eyes are in front of the head, which gives them correct idea about the location of the prey. Another example is deer. Deer can run faster to escape from the predators. They have strong teeth for chewing hard stems. They have long ears to hear the movements of predators. Their eyes are at the side of the head, which allows them to look in all directions for danger. Suppose lion eat deer. So in this, lion is a predator and deer is a prey. Lion deer को खाएगा. That's why lion is a predator and deer will be killed. Therefore, it is a prey for the lion. Oceans. Ocean is a large area of water between the continents. Oceans are very big and they join smaller seas together. Those animals which live in water are called as aquatic animals. For example, fishes. Body of fishes are streamlined or boat-shaped for easy movement in water. They respire through gills. Their bodies are protected by scales. Dolphins and whales have nostrils to breathe air from atmosphere called as blowholes. Thank you for watching.